Yeah man, so today we'll give you a tour of Project Caladium. First we have the 3-car garage, then we have a laundry area with the den next to it. Walking in the kitchen area, where we have the kitchen island, and then this area is the sunken living room. Then we have the master bedroom with closet on both sides, and then the master bath. Now this is the entrance where we have the foyer, and right in front of me is the staircase to the second floor. And that's just me checking out the location of the master bath. Yeah man, that's the full tour of the first floor, so until next time.